Why bother learning to program if AI can just do it for you? The truth is, AI won't just end programming languages as we know it. It could ruin your career if you're not careful. Don't worry, in this video, I will reveal to you if programming jobs are doomed, what the timeline is for the AI takeover of jobs. I'll even give you examples where this is already occurring, and whether or not it is worth it to you to continue to learn how to program. To start though, we need to establish where you're at in your programming journey. We need to know if you are a better programmer than AI already, or if you still have work to do to get to AI's level. Imagine a scenario for a minute that there's a senior and a junior developer. The junior developer hands off code to the senior edits that code and puts it into production. In this scenario, are you the junior or are you the senior? If you're the senior, then you're probably a better programmer than AI. And here's how you can tell. You edit what the LLM outputs so it actually works. You understand what it's trying to do in its code, and you know how and when to use it effectively. Keep that in the back of your mind as we move forward, because we need to know, are programming jobs doomed? Well, imagine a person with a medical device that was completely programmed by AI. If that device fails, who do we blame? The AI that wrote the code or the people who wrote the AI? Where does that go? The truth is, humans are still essential for ethics in programming. In addition, humans can deliver both customized and creative solutions to different problems. And of course, if there are no humans involved, who is going to actually do the programming development for the AI?
We will develop ourselves.
So are all programming jobs doomed? No, the answer is no. But that doesn't mean there aren't a few jobs that are going to be disappearing. In fact, we're already seeing this with some jobs. AI is getting better and better every day. Think about this. We no longer need people to start entering data because we have so much technology that can record that data automatically for us. But for skilled programmers, the AI is more of a glorified Stack Overflow. It's an incredible tool, but it's not solving problems. Instead, it can be used as a great resource for documentation and little fragments of solutions that can be applied in small specific use cases. If you're already a senior developer at a company and well established in your career, you're probably safe from AI. But what about for the junior or new programmers? Is it still worth learning how to program even if AI can do it for you? Well, learning to program is less about mastering a specific language than it is about creative problem solving. When you learn to program, you learn problem solving and creativity combined with logic. And this is a great tool set to have. In fact, as AI continues to integrate into our lives, the ability to creative problem solve and have those technical skills is going to become even more valuable. So if you're just starting out on your programming journey, maybe you're in college right now learning to program, keep going. Your future self will thank you. AI will just be a great tool that you can use to help you on your journey. However, everything I just said is pointless if you don't have a job in programming or aren't seeking a job in programming. But here's the good news. You don't actually need a job in programming to make money from your programming skill. You can leverage computer programming languages like Python to earn passive income. In fact, you need to check out the next video because I'll be talking about 5 different ways where you can earn passive income using Python so you can make money in your sleep and not even need a career in programming to begin with.